That knock on one's door revives awful and dreaded memories of the past administration's Tokhang, in which quite a number of alleged illegal drug users were taken away by cops, never to be seen again. And the police is once again knocking on doors for quite a different and non-harmful reason of reminding delinquent gun owners to renew their licenses. Then again, such purpose does not in any way allay the fears or worries the sound of door knocks can bring, especially from politicians seeking to harass or intimidate, as our Luisa Erispe reports.
The Commission on Elections asks the Philippine National Police to suspend the implementation of Oplan Katok. According to COMELEC Chairman George Erwin Garcia, they will suggest the PNP to start the program after the election period instead of during the preparations.
Paulit-ulit po nating i-emphasize, ipapakiusap sa kanila, hindi naman po ito persahan, na kung pwede masuspend na lang muna ang implementasyon nitong Oplan Katok dito lang sa panahon naman ng election period.
COMELEC's reason for this request is just the same with what they first argued with the PNP. This operation is likely to cast fear on the public, especially in remote areas. Oplan Katok may be used as leverage by any politician. The poll body fears if the PNP still refuses to listen to their suggestions, they may have to exercise their plenary powers to ensure the safety of the electorate.
Yung po ang kadahilanan kung bakit ang COMELEC ay nagde-deputize ng mga agencies ng pamahalaan. Sabi ko nga, sana po, mapag-aralan lang nila na yun ang isang kapangyarihan na binigay sa COMELEC na napaka-plenary, almost absolute, napakalawak, wala halos restrictions or limitasyon. Ayaw po natin gamitin dahil ang kapangyarihan yun para i-substitute ang aming judgment.
The COMELEC believes there is still time to discuss this thoroughly with the PNP, and they are also willing to look into their operational plans to ensure smooth cooperation for the upcoming polls.
So pananatilihin pa rin po natin yung critical collaboration at usapan sa Philippine National Police. Baka lang po hindi lang kasi namin nauupuan yung bagay na yan.
Luisa Erispe from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.